Christmas in Jamaica, here we come. We'll just sail on.
Okay guys, so this is going to be a get on ready with me. Yeah, I'm sure you've seen this. So I've worn this hairstyle and I've worn this makeup throughout the entire day. I took off my lashes because yeah, but this is just going to be a get on ready with me, and I'm just going to use this to kind of tie my head. This is a what's this called? Silk polyester material. Just gonna tie the hair just so I can wear the hair another day. Yeah, but I'm just gonna tie it right now so I can get rid of the makeup. So yes, we are doing this little get on ready with me because I'm gonna go to my bed and so forth. Let me just pull up this part just so yeah. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to use this cotton pad and I'm going to use my Japanese makeup remover, and I'm just going to remove the makeup and we're going to do a little bit of talking. So guys, as you can see, I was doing all this. So let me take off my earrings. So guys, I have been doing YouTube since 2017. I think it was June 2017. Yes, so I've been doing YouTube for like, I got monetized last year around this time. Yeah, so I remember I made a video talking about reacting to Dalton Harris, Jamaican sensation, X Factor champion. Yes, so I made a few videos, but I made the first video and it didn't go viral, but it just did well. But the video did so well and I was so happy, and I was just like happy because Dalton Harris won X Factor, and just during that season I was just really happy, and everything was just going so nice. Maybe not for me, but mostly for like Dalton, and I was like so excited about that. And I remember I created some videos and they did well. YouTube has been going good so far. I really enjoy making videos, guys. I'm going to use my my apricot scrub. This is a apricot blemish control, and I'm going to use this now. I'm not going to use any like acids on my face. I just want to use like a physical exfoliant, just because I don't want, yeah. So I am doing YouTube as a way, you know, my little way of freeing my mind, and I really enjoy it. But if I can earn a little bit of money while I'm doing it, it would be good, and so forth. As I said before, I have saved every single penny that I've earned since last year November, so I have a good amount of money. And guess what, guys, I'm gonna do something very special. I'm gonna do something very special for my mother, but that's going to be in a different video, so I don't want to talk too loud because I'm going to do something very special. So I'm going to use all my YouTube savings to do something special for her. I won't say what I'm going to do now. I'm going to tell you in another video. I don't want to talk too loud because I don't want her to hear, but I'm going to do something very special, guys. I'm going to tell you when I do it. I'll share the video with you. Going good so far. YouTube is going good so far. I really love it. And guys, I really appreciate all those who have subscribed. I don't know, I think I'm gonna collect like some clips or just some of the people that have subscribed to my channel, and I'm just going to go through them quickly. Some of them that I actually see, I'm just going to put them on the screen quickly if I can, because I really appreciate it. And what else? Oh, and the giveaway that I have, guys, I know that I've been doing, I started using Sylyne brushes since it was 2017. Yeah, in December of 2017, after I started my YouTube channel, like 3 or 4 months after, I decided that I wanted some professional brushes. I actually wanted the Morphe brushes, but Morphe was a little bit expensive to ship. The palettes were good, but the brushes were a little bit too expensive to ship. So I decided to go on Aliexpress for brushes, and I found Sylyne. I bought their 12-piece brush set. I decided to I decided to get more brushes like other dupes, and I collected them, and I just felt good that I could get like affordable stuff for super cheap and make like a collection. And I was just all about Aliexpress, and Aliexpress like changed my makeup game and changed just how I thought about like makeup and makeup brushes. You didn't have to like spend on expensive stuff. You could get like super cheap affordable stuff. And then I just got like different like Sylyne. Like I contacted them and I'm like, oh my gosh, I love your brushes and so forth. And they decided that they were going to work with me to just send me some more brushes to try out for free. And I was just like, and they gave me brushes after brushes, and then sometimes they contact me and like, oh, we have some new brushes, would you like to try them out? I'm like, yes, and I tried the brushes out, guys, and the brushes are great quality brushes. So I don't know, I love Sylyne brushes, and I always tell them to not reduce the quality of their brushes because there are some great brushes for super cheap. Yes, apart from Sylyne, I know this other company on AliExpress, they're Bailey. Their brushes are actually so good. I haven't like bought like the set yet, and that's mainly because I don't really need brushes, you know what I'm saying? So but Bailey brushes are nice. But Sylyne brushes, guys, I love Sylyne brushes, and that's how the relationship. They just start sending me some brushes like to review for free, and for I didn't get paid for anything. The only thing that I got benefited from was the fact that I had brushes. Yes, that's the only thing. They didn't pay me or anything. Yeah, they didn't pay me for anything. I just got them to just review and so forth, and I appreciated that because I love brushes and I've just become such a brush junkie. So I contacted Sylyne and asked them like, I want to do a giveaway on my channel. I want to give back to my subscribers, even though it's not a lot, but I want to give back, you know, because most of my brush videos, they do well. I want to give back something. The brushes that I was doing the giveaway for, they were actually, I asked Sylyne if they could sponsor me those brushes so I can my subscribers. Yeah, so they actually, I told them what I wanted to do, like they would send the brushes to the winners, to the people that won the giveaway. So I would get their information, I would give them, and they would send it out, and they have done a great job. So when I look at that, I'm like, I love this company. I love them in terms of, I love the fact that they didn't hesitate when I asked, would you like to work with me on a giveaway to give my subscribers and so forth. They're like, yes, definitely. You know what I'm saying? So I really appreciated that. I love their brushes, and they're a good company. And if you check Sylyne and Sylyne's the reviews on their brushes, most of the brushes that I talk about, the reviews are actually amazing, great. Always, like, most of them are like 4.8 stars, 5 stars. Most of the brushes that I like, yes, that I promote on my channel, they're actually great. So don't take my word for it, you can check the reviews. They're great brushes. Yes, so this is the reason why I really like Sylyne, and I really love the fact that they are very willing to cooperate with others, and they're very kind. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I think that it's good if you want to build a good relationship with like people in general. You should always be like generous, be kind, and if people are actually spending their money, I think that you should be willing to give back to them. You know what I'm saying? Yes, so that's the reason why I wanted to do a giveaway. I was supposed to do a giveaway maybe like last year. I bought tons of like some mirrors, LED mirrors. I bought tons of them. I bought tons of stuff because I got them for super cheap. But guess what? I could not ship them because I realized that I had to ship the products. I'm like, I don't want to do a giveaway where I have to ship the product because it would be expensive. So, but I didn't really think of that. I didn't really think that the shipping would be so expensive. So when I found out that it would be so expensive to ship the LED mirrors and the brush cleaner, I decided I would not do the giveaway. So instead, I took all of what I bought and I sold them to a thrift store in Japan. But yeah, guys, so that's what that was the giveaway that I wanted to do, like maybe last not last year, maybe sometime in January, February. I wanted to do a giveaway on my channel, but that didn't work out. But the brushes worked out with Sylyne, and Sylyne actually, you know, the brushes that I am giving away, they're actually from Sylyne. I didn't pay for them. They're actually from Sylyne. I just asked Sylyne if they could sponsor me some brushes so I can do a giveaway on my channel. So guys, Sylyne is the boss. I love Sylyne. I love their company. I love their brushes, and I love the quality and the standard that they have. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay guys, I just washed my face. I'm just drying my face with a towel. Okay. Next thing, I'm just gonna use a piece of cotton pad, and I'm just gonna use some of the cleansing water to just get rid of the excess, just in case, just to check to see if there is any excess makeup towards the hairline. Yeah, so just trying to get rid of the excess. This is just the same Japanese cleansing makeup cleanser. Yeah, it's like a cleansing water. I'm just using that cleansing water. But yeah. Oh, there was one thing that I wanted to talk about too. Very, very important that I wanted to talk about. I'm gonna use some eye cream and then use the moisturizer right before I go to my bed. As you all know, I have hyperpigmentation around my mouth. But guess what? I just realized that, because I was like trying to go back to when I was in high school. I'm like, why do I have darkness around my mouth only? Like, was I born this way? I'm like, no, I wasn't born this way. When did I start having darkness around my mouth? And I remember the reason why I have darkness around my mouth was because when I was like, I think high school, I don't remember if it's high school or when I was in high school or primary school or elementary school as Americans say, but it's primary school here or in Jamaica. But when I was in primary school, I remember I used to have a mustache. So I remember I used to shave it. Yeah, so before shaving was like shaving the face was trendy, I used to shave around my mouth. So then I'm like, I remember in high school I used to shave my brows and I used to shave around my mouth. So then I started to look back. I'm like, that is when my face started to the hyperpigmentation. It got like very, I don't know, bad during that time, during like high school. I think late primary school, early high school, or during high school, all of high school, I used to shave around my mouth because I used to be very I used to have not a lot of hair, but just hairy, like hair and like peach fuzz. So I used to shave when I was so young. But I think the shaving caused the hyperpigmentation. And I also remembered one time I shaved my face, my entire face. Yes guys, so yeah, so before shaving off the face was trendy, I was doing that before. But guess what? I think that shaving for my skin is not good, because I have, I don't know, acne prone skin, and my skin is like it's easy to scar. So if I get a scratch or anything on my face, it's easily scarred, like anywhere on my body. If it heals. I don't have like keloid skin or anything like that, but my skin, if I get scarred or anything or a bruise, it gets dark. Yeah, so my skin is like, it doesn't respond well to like anything that is going to scrape the skin or anything like that. So guys, I went ahead and I took a bath or shower. This is a real get on ready with me. Yeah, it's as real as it gets. So I'm going to add this again, just cause I was like, I washed my face. Yeah, I'm just gonna add a little bit more. This is the eye cream, Japanese brand, facial eye cream. Just gonna add it to my eyes. Just gonna rub it all over the eyes and under. Just rub it that, guys. But yeah, guys, as I said before, I am just waiting on. I can't wait to get the find my money from YouTube. But guys, I have, I'm just trying to finish the alpha arbutin. I'm just trying to finish everything. This is the only serum that I'm gonna use today because it has hyaluronic acid in it. Yeah, but it's almost finished. So right around the mouth, you can rub some right here, whatever is left on my hand. My edges are like a little bit, you know, but they're good so far. This is like, I've been wearing this. Let me see how my edges are looking. Wow, they're still intact. See that, guys? I only think this one is just a little bit. I've been wearing this all morning. Look at that. Still nice, still going strong. Just gonna tie it down properly and we're good to go. But let me just close off this video, guys. So yes, guys, so this is my nighttime routine, get on ready with me kind of vibe. Very chilled, very easy, nice and fresh, ready to go to my bed. Some lip gloss. Sometimes I like wearing a lip gloss to my bed just cause my lips get dry in the winter and the gloss makes it a little bit better. The gloss works better for me than the chapstick. Yeah. And this hairstyle, guys, I have a video for this, so if you haven't seen it, go and check it out. Oh, so nice. But yeah, guys, this is it. I don't know what else to talk about. What is it? But if you would like me to share anything else, please leave a comment. Please, guys, interact. I would really appreciate it. It says a lot. And oh, don't forget to enter my giveaway, guys. I have another giveaway on my channel, so go and check it out. Yes, guys, so just check out my giveaways and so forth. Everything will be linked in the description, so you can. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Bye bye.
I am a queen, I need my king. You better not to sin. I think so, I think so. I think so, I think so.